Welcome student. Let us revise this lesson, the sentence and the phrase. Okay. Let just write down the definition of a phrase. I think you already write down this phrase. Phrase means a group of words that makes some sense. But this group of words did not give us a complete sense of the sentence. Okay. So let us look at these different sentences which are given here, and we come up to this question number first. We completed this in the previous lecture. Now we are moving at the example second. Okay. So in these questions we have to underline the phrases. This is the first sentence, that is, he was a man of great strength, of of great strength is a phrase where man or a he, that pronoun is in the sentence. Let us move to the second sentence. Second sentence, that is, the girl has came from the cottage. The girl has come from the cottage. In this sentence, the girl is a noun, common noun. Okay, and from the cottage or come from the cottage is the phrase. Here in this second sentence, the girl is a noun which comes, and the another that is the form from the cottage gives us some idea about the sentence, meaning of the sentence, but it did not give us a complete sense of meaning. Let us move towards the third. Okay. Harish ran with great speed. With great speed gives us some sense about the sentence, but did not gives us a complete meaning of the sentence. So here we added Harish ran with great speed. When we added Harish ran, the meaning of the sentence come to know to us. Okay. The children walk towards the gate. The children walk towards the gate. In this sentence, children walked. Walk comes is the verb which comes in the third form. This is regular verb. Okay. Towards the gate gives us some sense of meaning, but it did not give us complete sense. That towards the gate, what will happen? Okay. Whether it is a dog who runs towards the gate, or a women's that moves towards the gate, we did not get a complete sense about the sentence. So when we added the children walk towards the gate, we get the complete sense of the meaning. Okay. So let us move to the next sentence. At that moment, at that moment gives us some sense of the meaning, but did not give us the complete meaning. So we added here in this fifth sentence, that is, our teacher arrived at that moment. So adding this, our teacher arrived, we get the complete sense of a meaning of this sentence. So there are a group of words which gives us some meaning, but it did not give us the complete meaning of the sentence. That group of words are referred as the phrases. Okay, now here is the last sentence, that is, would you like a person with a bad temper? So in this sentence, this is interrogative sentence. Okay, in this interrogative sentence, with a bad temper is the group of words which we referred as a phrase. Okay, it gives some meaning but not the complete meaning of the sentence. When we added the would you like a person, we get the complete idea of the sentence. Okay, here it becomes an meaningful sentence. So here in this exercise number 2, we have some sentences with the phrases, and we write it down with the underlines. Okay, here are the underlines. He was a man of great strength. The girl has come from the cottage with great speed towards the gate at that moment with a bad temper. This group of words shows us the uses of the phrases in the sentences. Okay, so we got the meaning of this a phrase. Okay, so now we are going to stop here because we don't have any photograph of the another lesson. So children, you will get the exercise about the grammar, and after that we will complete the exercises about the grammar. We will move towards the lessons. So we will going to complete our syllabus of the unit test 1. So I will go to the first lesson. Okay, we will go through the first lesson. Okay, because we completed the syllabus of the grammar. So we will move towards the lessons which we completed previously. So now we will going to stop here. Okay, students, thank you. I will send you a questionnaire, different types of questionnaire. That exercise you have to write down in your notebook and send me a photograph. Okay, if you found any difficulty about this grammatical concept, that is phrases, sentence is a very easy in which we come to know about the different um, meaning. Okay. So we will completed this. Okay. Now we will move toward the lessons, that is lesson. So we will stop here.